Sunny in Amsterdam in March, and they're cutting the grass. So it's been a good winter, and I'm here with my host Angela and Kishan.
Yes.
Our warm shower host. They are just back from a trip in the States. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
How was it?
It was fantastic.
So thank you so much for the hospitality, and we leave Amsterdam with the sun that is shining. We couldn't ask for better weather, so thank you very much. And
Thank you for being
I'll
here.
see you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
And give us a hug.
All the best.
Very nice weather in Amsterdam. Heading to the central station, and it's free. Take that, Germany. Some bikes parked. Not many. Nice and sunny in Amsterdam, but pretty chilly. Holy moly, it's chilly. We're in Haarlem, which I guess is north of Amsterdam, like 15-20 kilometers. Either north or west, I don't know exactly how to. Bucolic, very bucolic. We start the day badly, blocking the traffic. We start the day with Sedat and Iris. They hosted me for the night, and now we do a little bit together. And yeah, let's hit the road.
Yeah.
And we are in Haarlem, Netherlands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Netherlands. Yes.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
Beautiful day in Haarlem again. Bit chilly, but beautiful weather. We are in Haarlem in the Netherlands with Sedat and Iris that they run so many trails.
Yeah.
The Sultan Trail that goes from Vienna to Istanbul. The Sufi Trail that I did and I made 4 or 5 videos, so go watch them. From Istanbul to Konya, where is the Mevlana Rumi Mausoleum. Tom, how do you call it?
Yeah, mausoleum.
Mausoleum.
Yeah.
Very interesting. And then the Rumi Trail that goes from Konya through Aleppo,
To Aleppo, to Mecca,
Mecca,
to Kuwait, and then Iraq,
Iran.
and then to Afghanistan, and eventually to Uzbekistan.
So that's a hell of a trail to do. But look at these guys. Now I have the official Sufi Trail t-shirt
yes.
with the symbol
Yeah.
of the Sufis.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
It's a working one, but it's still good. Even.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time we make with this bicycle.
Yeah.
Ah, no, it's
Yeah.
okay. I think the one with the working one looks really nice.
Yeah.
So size small for me. So very
Yeah,
good.
that's good.
And also they gave me a house for the night. Very good dinner, very good breakfast.
Thank you. You are
What can I say more?
It's
And
a
they gave me
You're an excellent.
patches and pants of the Sufi Trail, all sorts of gadgets. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.
It's an honor that you stayed with us.
Yeah.
It's really
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
very good.
Give us a
company.
hug.
Yeah.
Good trip.
Thank you.
And thank you for
Brother.
showing me the road, and then I'll continue to Delft through.
Yeah.
Through Zandvoort,
Yeah.
and then alongside the beach.
Yeah.
And if I can, I will do some sand as well. We'll see.
Yeah.
If it's possible. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Yeah.
And
very nice to
guys, you might meet them on those trails because they're always usually spring, summer. You always do some of
Yeah,
these
we
trails.
walk
Yeah.
or cycle or so.
Yeah.
There's always a possibility to meet us.
Yeah.
Or
So check
Oh.
out is sultantrail.com, sufitrail.com, rumitrail.com. Yeah.
That's it.
Many websites.
many.
I told them they should put one umbrella website. So if someone has a good name to suggest.
If you have a good name, let
Yeah.
us know.
Yeah. Right, I left Sedat and Iris. Lovely people. And very cool projects that they are putting together with this big giant trail that goes from Vienna, from Austria, till basically Afghanistan, through all the Balkans, Turkey, Syria, Iran, Iraq, Saudi, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan. It's impressive. I did only a small part when I was in Turkey, the Sufi Trail, which you can watch the videos if you dig them out. And yeah, maybe now that I will go to Middle East, I will do more parts of it if it's possible. But yeah, now let's go to Delft to meet yet another interesting person. Panoramic spot in Haarlem. Let's see what's the view like. Let's see what's the surprise in Haarlem. I think in the summer it's a little bit more colorful, but still nice. For some reason this is fenced. I think it's the national park. There are some trails, but you're not allowed in, I guess. And that's the cost. And that's my bike. Today is good. Temperature, it's a few degrees more than yesterday, and the wind is less cold. Yesterday, when I left Amsterdam, it was very nice, but the wind was cold as fuck. Look at this dude. I don't know, apparently there is no dirt, it's all fenced. We need to stick to the paved bike lane. Well, will be a bit faster. Finally, some dirt. Well, it's not that much dirt, but I can't get around the fact that they paved the national park. Why? We have to go left. left. This trail is fun. A little fun trail. Sandy. There is more trail.
Head west. Then turn right.
Mucca, ciao Mucca. Dai cazzo. Look at those. Very nice. I got to Delft and the wind got quite chilly, I have to say. The temperature dropped. In Delft, my host is a Dutch/Iranian filmmaker, also traveler, also bike traveler, that contacted me maybe in 2015, after a few months that I started my adventure, and finally we meet personally. Canals, lots of canals in the Netherlands. I'm in Delft with Human David. He hosted me for over a week, because I arrived last Monday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And me and him know each other from social media for like 6 years, 7 years, 2015. And we never met, but he saw that I was looking for a place to stay in Amsterdam, and he contacted me that I could stay in his apartment. He was in Bangkok, but he came back from Bangkok and we finally meet up. He is a filmmaker, Dutch Iranian filmmaker. He works for a Iranian TV, and he makes loads of travel TV programs, traveling by bike, by motorbike, and whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
But the problem is that you need to speak Farsi to watch his
To
videos.
understand my video.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some of them have subtitles.
Subtitles, yeah. So go and watch his Instagram and his YouTube. I will put all the links and you'll find them here. So yeah, go find him. His videos are very good because he has good cameras, drones. So they're not as boring as mine.
Thank you.
See ya. I'll
Great.
meet you on the road, yeah?
Of course, of course.
We will meet in Central Asia or somewhere.
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah.
Of course. Sure.
Ciao. Human. First try. He's gonna try front loading. He's back from the test. How's front loading?
Wow. Nice.
Is that for you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like
Yeah?
it.
You like it?
Yeah.
He likes front
I
loading.
like it. Yeah, of course. Certo.
What do you say about front loading?
Unloading.
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. I'm traveling by bicycle for many years and I never tried this kind of bike. It was my first time. Amazing. It's very good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna upgrade my bicycle.
But he has a good bike. He has a Surly Troll, which is a good bike.
yeah,
it's
I'm
pretty
gonna.
good, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna upgrade it to.
Move a little bit
Yeah.
the weight in the
Yeah,
front.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm leaving that. But I'm not going too far. I'm going to Rotterdam.